friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a good day. Today we are going to solve another medium complexity linked list related coding problem. It's on Leetcode 2674, split a circular linked list. Another very popular interview coding question. So I would like to show you guys today with some examples how we can solve these kind of coding problems, and we will also write our Java solution to solve this coding problem. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Your subscription is really valuable and important for our channel. It helps and supports this channel. So let's start, guys. Your task is to split this circular linked list into two separate circular linked lists. First circular linked list should contain the first half of the nodes, which is exactly seed of list.length divided by 2. For example, original list has 5 nodes, the first will get 3. If it has 6 nodes, the first list still get the 3 nodes. Okay. Second circular list should contain all the remaining nodes. Both resulting list must maintain original order of nodes as they appear in the input list, and they should be circular basically, right? The last node of each list should point back to the first node. Okay. The function should return an array of length 2 where the first element is the head of the first circular linked list and the second element is the head of the second circular linked list. Okay, so they have given us one example here. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 is the last element, and 5 is going back to 1 because it's a circular list, right? Now you have to split it in two parts. The first part will be, now this is a odd length basically. You understood the odd length, right? These are 5 nodes basically. Okay, so in that case, if you calculate the seal of 5 divided by 2 will give you 3. So first 3 nodes will be the first part, 1 2 3, and 4 5 will be the second part. So 1 2 3 and 3 will go back to 1 because it's a circular list we have to create, and 4 5 and 5 will go back to 4. Okay, so this is what we want to create. Okay, so let's take a look at some examples so it will be more clear what how the circular list will look like actually after we split it, right? So this is one example I created for you guys. So there are 6 elements you can see here. So if I split this into, now 6 is a even number, right? So I can definitely split it into equal half, right? So 1 2 3 will be first half and 4 5 6 will be my second half, and 3 is going back to 1, so this is a link 1. Okay, you can say, and 4 5 6 6 is going back to 4 because we have to create circular list after we split it. Okay, so this first example is showing you the case where we have even number of nodes, but it is possible that you have odd number of nodes also, right? So this is a case where you have odd number of nodes, 1 2 3 4 5, right? In this case, still your first part will get 1 2 3, right? As you are doing ceiling, right? Ceiling of 5 divided by 2 will give you 3. So 1 2 3 you will get, 3 will go back to 1 because it has to be circular, and the remaining nodes are 4 5, and 4 5 is going back to 4, right? Again it's a circular, right? So I hope you understood what we are trying to do, right? So we are just trying to split it into equal half parts. Okay, and you will get exactly equal half part when it is a even length linked list, and you will get one more node in the case of odd list on the first part, right? Okay, I'll directly go to the Java code and I'll explain you. So now what comes into your mind, how can you split it into half part? What should we do? So we can use two pointer approach. We can create two pointers. One is a fast pointer. What is fast pointer going to do? In one iteration, fast pointer will go to two distance, right? So from 1 it will go to 3, from 3 it will go to 5, and like this basically. So it is going two distance, fast pointer. And a slow pointer, in each iteration will go to one distance. From 1 it will go to 2, then 2 it will go to 3, like this basically. You understood, right? Okay, so it means that when like the list is complete, then your fast pointer, let's say your fast pointer will reach to 5. Now if you know that it's a even length list, then your fast pointer you have to take it to 6, right? And your slow pointer will go where? 3. So 3 dot next will be 4. you can calculate. So I'll show you that in the code, then it will be more clear. But using the two pointers approach, one is going fast and one is going slow. So fast pointer will travel two distance and slow pointer will travel one distance. So list node is the basic data structure. They have given us value and list node next, and this list node is actually these are the constructor value, and this another overloaded constructor is value and next, right? Okay, so now this is our main code which will help us splitting it into two parts, right? So list node, which is a list head, original list head is given to us. We'll create two pointers. Both are pointing to the list head in the beginning, slow pointer and fast pointer, right? Both are pointing to the list head in the beginning. Okay, now in this while loop we'll keep looping until the end, right? Until it goes to the end. So fast pointer dot next is not equal to list head, because this is a circular list. Basically end means circular list, right? So fast pointer dot next is not equal to list head, and fast pointer dot next is also not equal to list head, correct? Why we are only checking fast pointer? Because fast pointer is traveling fast, basically two distance. I'll show you that. So slow pointer will travel one distance. So slow pointer is equal to slow pointer dot next. So it means that it's a one distance, and fast pointer two distance. How? Fast pointer dot next means it's a two distance, right? So you will keep looping in this while loop. Every iteration, slow pointer will go one distance, fast pointer will go two distance. Okay. Now, if fast pointer at the end did not reach your list head, it means that it's a even length list. Basically, you understood, right? It did not reach the list head back. It means that it's a even length list, which is example one that I shown you, this one. So your fast pointer will be at 5. So you have to take it to 6. You have to move it one distance forward. So that's what you will do. Why we are doing this? Because this is a even length list, guys. That's why we have to do this. Okay, fast pointer is equal to fast pointer dot next. So it means that my slow pointer right now is at 3 and my fast pointer now at 6. Okay, so this part you understood so far. Okay, 3 and 6. Okay, now second half head is equal to slow pointer dot next. So this head for second half will go to the slow pointer dot next, which means that 4, right? Slow pointer is at 3, so its next is at 4, right? Once I know that, it's now I can point fast pointer dot next to the second half head, because second half head is pointing to 4. That's where I should go, basically, correct? So from 6 I want to go back to 4. So second half next is pointing to 4, correct? Second half it has 3. So I will use that information so that my 6 can again point back to 4. This is very, very important, guys. Okay. So now you understood this part. Slow pointer dot next should go where? List head, right? This 3 should go where? Again back to the list head. List head is what? 1, right? So 3 should go back to 1. So this is applicable for both these things. Even in the odd number case also, your 3 will go back to 1, right? And 5 will go back to 4. So after that you have to just return both these list heads. So list head will point to your new first part, and second half head is going to point to the this node 4, basically, correct, in this case. Okay, so this is how you can solve this problem by using two pointers approach. This is a very, very popular approach, you should know, right? Slow pointer and fast pointer approach, and it helps us solve these kind of tricky problems. So I hope I already explained you this line by line, and there are two cases we have to consider. One is for even number. So this if loop, you will go only inside this if loop if it is a even number list. Okay, then only you have to do it, otherwise you don't have to go there. Okay, fine. So this is how you can actually solve this coding problem. So the time complexity for this code is, you have a while loop. It means that it's a order of n. Okay, order of n is your time complexity for this code. So this is how you can solve this coding problem. It's on Leetcode. Again, I'll show you. It's not this one. It's this problem, right? Leetcode 2674, split circular linked list, another very, very popular coding interview question. So I hope you completely understood this Java code. So this is what I wanted to show it to you guys in today's session. So if you like this explanation with the examples that I created for you guys, it takes lots of creativity, time and efforts to come up with these examples, create these images and everything. So if you really want to appreciate our efforts that we are taking here, then please subscribe to our channel now. Also like this video and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell notification icon button so you won't miss any important postings from our channel. Share these videos with all your friends so they will also watch these videos and learn from these videos. On this channel we create content and videos to help others learn more about problem solving, programming, data structures and algorithmic paradigms. We have more than 600 solved coding problems asked by big companies such as Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Meta, and a lot of big companies. And we came up with a very important playlist that you should watch if you are planning to take interviews. The names of those playlists are graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, problems solved by using binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, how to use and apply BFS and DFS on graphs, matrices, and trees. The important data structures related playlist we have it here for you guys include stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap, arrays, array list, linked list. So everything is here guys. So take advantage of those solved problems. You will definitely learn a lot by watching those videos and they will definitely help you improving your logical skills, programming skills, problem solving skills and algorithmic skills. If you are a Java consultant, we have very important videos that we created to help you, which discusses frequently asked telephonic interview questions to the Java developers and how to answer those telephonic interview questions. So everything is here. Go ahead, take a look into the playlist, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.